Hi guys, welcome back to Slime Time. This is our second video that we recorded about 5 hours after the 5 hours after the first one, or 4 hours, I don't know. So we're gonna do putting stuff with slime or review, or we'll do putting stuff in slime tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we'll do
slime pokes today.
Slime pokes today. So start off with a good one. The best one till first. So this is.
And we will take it in turns doing camera.
So don't do a one finger poke
Because that's just cringy. I know some people don't like it being poked in the container.
I mean, it's their opinion. I don't like it.
May I have a go?
Yes, you may have a go.
I may have a go at poking.
What are you talking weird?
It's me.
Oh, okay. It's me, Mario.
It's me, Mario.
I might do a gaming channel.
Right, so this is our first slime
Right. Grab this one out the way.
We got this super sticky.
No, I want to just bring this out to show you how terrible it is. You know what? Look, it doesn't even poke. It just drags. Kind of like cream.
Ew.
Smell slime. It's disgusting. It's absolutely weird. But it is pretty though. I like staring at it sometimes.
She said it used to be like this yellow one here.
But it turned out
But
weird.
she did the makeup challenge with it.
And I don't know why. I used some weird ass products.
Widow. And I love
Weird ass
pouring
products.
this out.
So, if you pour this out, we kind of added glitter.
We added glitter to the yellow one as well.
And this one. Cause,
Make sure it doesn't go over the side.
so it's kind of like a metallic.
I like metallic reds.
It's kind of metallic. It's not red velvet anymore, or like a luxury colour. It's kind of pretty.
It is kind of like a luxury colour.
It's very pretty.
Very.
It's kind of like if you painted a silver car
And then add you like a red thing.
to it. It's kind of pretty. You can have a look. Put it in the light. It's very pretty. And we're going to do does it poke?
This one doesn't poke because it's like one of those jiggly watery slimes.
I mean, if you don't like it,
No, I do
mean,
like it. It
just listen. I think it pokes. Kind of like the water sounds to it. So this is what it sounds like when you drop it off from above. So because it's a water
If you don't
slime,
follow some of the most amazing slime people, please follow.
right? Listen,
We love doing that.
it's kind of watery.
I wanna go doing that.
Okay.
Just give me a go.
Try and land it.
You. Should we try and see if I can try and land it in the pot?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Oh god, it's getting stuck to me.
And that with paper clips and stuff. That was from the glitter, and we added stuff into it. Cheater.
It's getting stuck to me.
Right. Get a towel.
I need a towel. I cannot touch my phone like this, otherwise my mother will kill me.
Right. So over here, let's just do this. It kind of peels off my skin. Don't know why.
You've got different skin to mine now.
Yeah. I got more of like a weird skin. And this over here is just because we peel. Oh god. Mess. So we haven't had a drink break. So that was that one. It's one of my favourites, except for that good one. So this one, we had a little accident. A little accident.
We were making things.
And this pink slime was spreading, and we didn't realise it.
It looks like a Hulk slime, like a purple, and then it's got green in it. It looks like a Hulk slime.
Now does it poke? Yep.
Yeah.
Sure does.
We should call this Hulk slime.
Maybe. It'll turn brown. Watch. So I like doing this with it.
Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly.
I like jiggling it a bit like this. And before my sister slapped me in the face with it, like as a joke. She didn't mean to. Like as a joke because And we did it to each other because we just did.
Put it out now.
Ew.
Ew. Hulk, what did you do with them?
Like the story of this, I picked one slime and I picked one slime, and she said, "If I'll slap me around the face with it and you slap me around the face," so we both went at the same time and we both felt the pain. Now this one, very nice. We nearly lost the lid to it. Just look at that. Just look at this.
Now drop it. I like when you get it like that and then it comes out.
So-
Watch. No. Let go.
Oh god. They're all water slimes, really.
Yeah.
But does it
This
poke?
one now.
Yeah.
Yay. It's not
Kind
as
of
good.
like the green, but
Yeah.
it's got a large amount here. Probably be a little amount here, I don't suppose.
It's right to the brim like this pink one.
So now we've got our
Right, if we pop that away.
phone.
Now we have 2 more slimes to do.
Ew, that's disgusting.
I think we should call that one the Fanta slime.
Maybe.
Like Fanta
We're
jelly.
gonna go make Kool-Aid in a bit because we bought Kool-Aid online and she had great Kool-Aid. So
It's disgusting, really.
now we've got the pink one. We might add glitter to this.
So we might have used
The
it
question
all.
is, does it poke?
Yes.
Sure does. So now this is what we did. This stuff gets everywhere.
This stuff?
So film that bit.
Yeah.
Film that bit.
It's
It
so
gets
glittery.
everywhere. My desk is glittery. So we're gonna add it to there. Listen.
We are filming this on my phone, and if we go on the Xbox on YouTube, it has got 4 views, but no views on this YouTube.
So it's either the phone is lagged
or it just works on different devices.
So this is my slime. So we're gonna just jiggle this about a bit because
It is coming on to it. Do you have no makeup brush?
now we've run out of the glitter now.
Oh yeah.
If we add a bit of this to it.
What's this?
Chopstick.
Chopstick. You're American now.
No, it didn't work.
It's not working.
That smells so good.
Have we had some of this? I'm joking.
No.
What about that?
No. It's just it smells like garbage. So I guess it didn't shine. Oh, a bit there. So we've got to wait. We added a truckload of it to that one.
So this one, as you can see, it just turned really weird.
Oh, I forgot to put the lid on. Where's the lid?
It's here. She had 2 panic attacks
Because
for this orange one.
we lost the actual whole
We
thing.
lost the container, and then we lost the lid.
Because there was too much going on. So now this is a weird one. I'll call this Mountain Dew. Well,
Yeah.
I did. But
So
kind of like the
question is, does it pop? No, it crunches.
so it's got not crunches, but listen. Yeah, it does.
Sort
It
of.
does.
So
Sort of.
all of them, right, except one poke.
Which one doesn't poke?
It's that sticky orange one.
Security.
So
Oh yeah.
this one is our rebel. It does not want to poke. If you look in the bottle, it's quite runny.
So this one is very pretty. I love this one. It's kind of like a goldish silver. It's very pretty. It's kind of like a mustard. So it's very pretty and like this is a go-to for making bubbles. It's kind of stretchy and it's kind of weird. Move the camera, quick. No!
She's using my technique. It's like a gold colour, like a Cleopatra gold. Yes! Oh my gosh, we got 2.
Listen. I love that sound.
I love it. It's just like the crunches. Right, guys.
So that was the end of the video. Hope you like or even subscribe, or just watch the video for that matter. And I've got a note for you.